Ugh.
And I don't like this because we got those other guys too that...
Hey, we have a
Each of us.
Dacia here. We can just take it and roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta move soon because the blue's gonna be on us. This might be why they retreated there.
You think they left?
Well, the blue's coming.
Okay,
So I don't,
let's get in
I
the
mean, I
Dacia.
don't know. I would say they left because they knew the blue was coming.
Okay, let's get in the vehicle.
I should have shot that one guy. I forgot I'm silenced.
I don't see them anymore.
I
You
got
guys
really-
want to get off, take the bridge out, and then come
Yeah,
around?
let's just get out of here, yeah.
Alright.
really
You gotta-
crappy loot.
Who's driving here? There we go.
I don't know if we'll make it in time,
We'll make it.
It'll
We'll
be
be
fine.
all right.
We won't take a ton of damage.
but it's the
Yeah, they-
opposite direction.
There they go. I'm gonna take some shots at them.
Try and hit their tires. Well, I don't have any ammo, unfortunately. I don't have any ammo.
Who's driving this thing? Ray
Steady this
Charles?
out.
Holy shit.
Damn, if we had a
fun out here, I
shotgun, I
like
get
this.
close.
I got hits on them.
You missed the bridge.
I hit one of them.
This is actually kind
They're
of
chasing
fun.
us.
This is fucking great.
I got some blood splatter. Oh no!
Oh, I got hit.
That was me! You should jump out in front of me.
Oh, oh man, my fault.
Jeep
Yeah.
been shot in the head.
You jumped out.
I was like, man, that was amazing.